Here I have TCL 30, and today I'm going to show you how to enable power saving mode on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then go to the Smart Manager, then go to the battery section, and here you can enable normal saving mode. And you can also change some settings of this mode. For example, you can enable or disable dark mode, and you can also add a schedule for it where you can select start time and end time of this schedule. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.